Hi, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio. We've installed Apple CarPlay through one of our integration kits in this VF Series 2 Commodore. Once you've connected via Holden's MyLink system, which was designed by a very sadistic, evil person, or a committee, they're both the same, you can then connect your CarPlay to it wirelessly. You then have the full access of Apple's CarPlay, or if you're an Android user, you can use Android Auto. And the screen is touchscreen, so you can go into Maps, you can go into podcasts, you can look at everything you want to look at, Spotify, Audible, Radio New Zealand. I've got Radio New Zealand, Teams, I don't even know I had that. It's all there for you and it all works. Now it'll play music as well. We'll just go into, which we're going to, Kyle, we'll go into Spotify, shall we? Of course I haven't set it up properly because otherwise I'd have it on the front screen, and we'll play. And we've paused that because the copyright thing on YouTube just goes absolutely crazy and they pull down the videos. So it'll work properly, and it gives you Apple CarPlay wirelessly and Android Auto wirelessly as well. Available from us at oemaudio.co.nz. We're at Iverson Terrace here in Christchurch. You can give us a call on 0508 636 283. And we should have mentioned too, if you're still watching, that the steering wheel controls will work as well. Cheers.